cool that is. It's a little woodpecker. It's like Woody the woodpecker. Not very often you get that good of a look at them. They hide really well. He's making, I didn't realize that it can make so much noise. He's making like little grunting noises. It's not very often you get to see them like this. All right, little woodpecker, you go find yourself some food. You must have had some good food in there. It might have been a mama and a papa. He's climbing up there and another bird just flew away. It's pretty cool. That's a good surprise this morning. You gotta just appreciate all those moments in nature. It's like there is a, I don't know if this is the same one or if there is a mama and a papa. There's another. I think it was. I think it was a mama and a. Yeah, it was. It was two of them. It was a mama and a papa. They're in that tree over there now. They flew over there. They heard me talking. I can see them, but I don't think I can get them on the camera. They're just a little black spot over there. That was really cool. There was two of them.